So we were sitting in an OAC meeting, and the problem that we were looking at was contract documents were pretty vague in terms of this existing equipment that was owner furnished, contractor installed. And so they had a box with a note saying size the pads accordingly with the existing equipment. This existing equipment is off-site being used right now. So I suggested, why don't we laser scan? We can capture all of the equipment down to very accurate sizing, and then we can put that data in the 3D model.
It takes about 1:30 to get a perfect scan because it's a high density scan. And it's capturing 680,000 points each second.
That's kind of why we utilize the laser scanning. It's accurate, it's fast, it eliminates human error. It's thousands and millions of points put together that makes up that data. And then that data is really just like any other 3D model. You put that in the software and gives you the ability to kind of move it around, rotate it, that sort of thing. So all of this came about really because in February, we were coming up on a scheduled concrete pour for this entire space.
We are trying to plan where this piece of equipment goes at the new facility, and they want to make sure that they have the proper power, in a place where they can plug this in.
Under that slab, pre-pour. I also suggested, well, why don't we bring the operators in and get them in the virtual reality headsets, and they can actually physically stand there with the equipment in their new space and see the layout, see the proposed layout. Does it work? Can we make the changes now before that slab is poured? So we were within that month frame, and this turnaround of all of this data, the questions being asked, the operators in the headset making changes, all happened within about 2 weeks.